Alright, second graders, now on to playing some instruments. Now you remember a couple of things. First of all, setup and cleanup are very, very important to me because it sets the stage for us to play and for our routine. So first of all, remember we are quiet, calm, and kind when getting out our instruments. Second thing is that whenever we remove bars, we use, that's right, both hands, both ends. On a glockenspiel, it might look like this. That's what it looks like, right? So we're going to be playing some stuff together today, and we're going to keep it simple, and that's all right. But remember, we have to practice a lot in order to get used to these instruments. So first things first, once we have our instruments set up, we can pick up our mallets. And when we pick up our mallets, we got to hold them correctly like a professional would. We say knife and fork, pinch, wrap, wings. Wings means our elbows are not touching our sides like this. This is like T-Rex. We don't want any T-Rex. We want to be able to flex from the wrist like so. I'll show you my glockenspiel. All right. You can see it, right? Don't look at my tummy. Okay. Anyway, now you're looking at my tummy. Okay, whatever. Okay. So, we can do lots of stuff. We can come back to, can you see me? We can come back to some of the songs that we were just doing. Like, for instance, we can do on a C and a G like this. Bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog, bow, wow, wow. One of the things that I like to do during bow, wow, wow is I like to add a woof. Who can do that? Yeah. Okay, so in the song it's going to go like this. Bow, wow, wow, woof. Whose dog art thou? Woof. Little Tommy Tucker's dog, bow, wow, wow, woof. Now, if you can woof under control, okay, so I guess that's a lot to ask. But if you can woof under control, what we can do is this. This is for Mrs. Buss, but you can have the wooden barred instruments, the xylophone players, simply do this part. And then I let the glockenspiel players pick any bar they want for the woof. Pretty special. It might sound something like this. Bow, wow, wow, woof. Whose dog art thou? Woof. Little Tommy Tucker's dog, bow, wow, wow. Or it might sound something like this. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog, bow, wow, wow. We are, of course, looking for holding the mallets the correct way. You can play that as many times as you would like. You can pause my video here if you would like to try that a whole bunch. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, so in the same vein of the dogs, woof, doggy, doggy. Try this. This is kind of fun. We can start on our lowest bar, our low C, which is the longest of them. And we can alternate between the C and a G. Something like this. Doggy, doggy, where's your bone? Someone stole it from your home. Who has your bone? I have your bone. That's hard to do because it's not both hands at the same time. It's alternating hands. Alternate, schmalternate. We've got to make sure that we can function with both hands at the same time and apart. That's a tough thing to do, but I think you can do it. I'll show you one more time. I start on my biggest bar, my C, because that's the key of the song. And if we're going to open the door, we need a key. And that's the only key that'll work to open that door. So we got to start on C, we got to stop on C. It's going to sound something like this. Doggy, doggy, where's your bone? Someone stole it from your home. Who has your bone? I have your bone. Now, if you can do that, what's really cool is if some of the players, while the rest are doing that, maybe 1 or 2 kids, I don't know if you can handle this. In the 2nd grade, I don't know if we can handle this. Mrs. Bus, I don't know if they could handle it. But we could do something like this. Doggy, doggy, where's your bone? Who someone stole it from your home? Who has your bone? I have your bone. Mind blown, right? That's what we call a glissando. If some kids are playing the C and the G and some are playing that, it sounds super duper cool. Why don't y'all go try glissando a couple times? Go ahead. Did you stop with me? I hope so. Alright guys, that's about what I have for you. That's about all the time we've got. So remember, when you put your instruments away, first we put our mallets away. I'm going to put mine away. When we put our instrument away, we're going to use both hands, both ends to put those bars back on. And we're going to help one another out if we need to. It'll only take you a minute or two. I've got a couple other videos on my webpage to check out, so feel free, Mrs. Bus, to check those out as much as you would like. That's it for Mr. K from Instrument Land for 2nd grade. Signing off. See ya.